Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Prequel AI filter photo editor app. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about Prequel and you will click. In this window of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem.